Where is the fuse box in the 2021 GMC Yukon? It's in the engine compartment and cabin with the diagram on the fuse box cover. Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block in the 2021 GMC Yukon controls critical systems like engine and lighting, offering power distribution and overload protection. It has a labeled cover and replaceable fuses for easy maintenance. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block in the 2021 GMC Yukon controls key interior electrical systems like the infotainment, power windows, and lighting. It provides overload protection and easy access to fuses under the dashboard. The block is clearly labeled for quick fuse identification and replacement. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block in the 2021 GMC Yukon controls electrical systems specific to the rear area, such as the power liftgate and rear lighting. It offers overload protection and allows for easy access to fuses for maintenance. Clearly labeled for convenience, it ensures quick identification and replacement of fuses.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse. A GC fuse. SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse. Bosch fuse. DIN fuse. PAL fuse. Low profile fuse. A Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse. Mega fuse. High amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on 2023 Ford Maverick fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.